All right, have you ever updated an old blog post in HubSpot and then wanted to republish it? Ever noticed that you have to unpublish it, then republish it at a time that's passed? That all changes today. Welcome back to Sprocket Talks HubSpot FAQ series. I'm your HubSpot guide, Dan Moyle from Impulse Creative, and in today's HubSpot FAQ, we're talking HubSpot, content marketing, and updating existing content. You ready for this? So the question today: can I update an old post and schedule the republishing date for later? Well, let's answer that. But first, if you find value in this HubSpot FAQ, please make sure to give it a like so others see it, and hit that subscribe button and that bell for those instant notifications whenever we have new content. You don't want to miss that. Now, onto the good stuff. No longer do we have to unpublish and republish. We can schedule it. Check this out. All right, so here we go. Let's say, for instance, we want to update an article comparing Pardot to HubSpot. I go there and I bring that up, and that was done a couple years ago, so April of 2019. But now, today, maybe I'm thinking I got a little bit of an update to put in there. I'm gonna go ahead and update that. I'm gonna grab that. I want to update it, but now I want to actually schedule it for later. I don't have to unpublish anymore and update it at a different time. I can grab this and say I'm gonna update this on 11/1. And we're going to do it at 7:30 in the morning, even though I'm not awake that early. Well, sometimes I am. But this way, I no longer have to unpublish and republish and do it at a later date. I can simply schedule it. Awesome. Thank you, HubSpot. Okay, do you have a specific HubSpot question you need answered? Let us know in the comments below. And today's question of the day to you: what's your favorite way to learn? Is it reading, video, podcasting? Tell us in the comments below. Make sure you head over to Impulse Creative and Sprocket Talk for more educational resources. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be a happy, helpful, humble human, and we'll see you in the next video.